snow squall warning for Shelby County, northern Montgomery County, northeastern Auglaize County, Miami County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Wapakoneta up to near Trotwood, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 21 and 40. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 57 and 118. Locations impacted include Dayton, Huber Heights, Troy, Trotwood, Sydney, Piqua, Vandalia, Englewood, Wapakoneta, Tipp City, West Milton, Fort Shawnee, Covington, Cridersville, Enna, Jackson Center, Pleasant Hill, Hopkins, Waynesfield, and Brown. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.